Everybody know you gon' stand out. Haven't got it, keeping my pant down. I pop out in 3 different brands now. Haven't Zot, I'm serving you anything. Yo, what's up guys, Benevolent. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like LazerDim700 in his new song, David Blaine. I'm not gonna yap too much today, I'm gonna just show y'all the song. This is David Blaine by LazerDim700.
Anyway you go, stand down. Anyway you go, stand down. Everybody know you gon' stand down. Heavy Glock, they keep my pen down. I pop out in 3 different brands on. Heaven's out, I'm serving you anything. Got me fucked up, they be wanna wear the rain. So don't cop, don't tell them for anything. I would drop, but nigga be biting on me. I pop out, that mean it's a holiday. She gon' fuck, I seen that a mile away. Smoke detector, I'm finna smoke anyway. Black truck, we push up like a renegade. Pouring drink, I gain weight off a minute, man.
So like, usually I show you guys my raw vocals, but I don't even know if it's necessary to show my raw vocals, because like essentially this preset is raw, but I'll show it without the preset just a little bit. So this is what my vocals sound like with no preset. Everybody know you gon' stand out. Haven't got it, keeping my pant down. I pop out in 3 different brands now. Haven't Zot, I'm serving you anything. Got me fucked up, a bit when a wedding ring. Tell them cots, don't tell them folks anything. I would drop, but butter be by on me. So that's no preset, and then this is what it sounds like with my LazerDim700 preset. So if you guys have been looking for a good preset to use for no auto songs, this is a nice little simple noise gate, EQ, compressor, de-esser, limiter, distortion, just a little simple preset for you guys. But yeah, this is what it sounds like. Everywhere you go, gonna stand out. Everywhere you go, gonna stand out. Everybody know you gonna stand out. Haven't got it, keeping my pant down. I pop out in 3 different brands now. Haven't Zot, I'm serving you anything. Got me fucked up, a bit when a wedding ring. Tell them cots, don't tell them folks anything. I would drop, but butter be by on me. I pop out, that mean it's a holiday. She gon' fuck, I seen that a mile away. Smoke detector, I'm finna smoke anyway. Black truck, we push up like a renegade. Pouring drink, I gain weight off a Minute Maid. So yeah, the only preset that isn't free is this master preset that I use. So if you guys want this master preset, this is my Best Ways master preset. It'll be linked below. It's on my website, BNVLNT.shop. And if you guys don't have Waves plugins, I do have a stock version as well on my website for you. Both of those will be linked in the description. But if you guys want this free LazerDim700 preset, all you got to do is go to the Discord in the description below, and it'll take you right here. And then once you're in here, you just click this little channel right here called Benevolent Presets. And then it's the most recent one. Obviously, if you're watching this in the future, it might not be. You might have to scroll up a little bit, but it's this one, LazerDim700. That's pretty much all I got for this video. I'm trying to keep this one a little shorter. But yeah, if this video helps you out in any way, please leave a like, comment what rapper I should do next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.